Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another awesome lesson for you in powder today. When you get to class, make sure you head to classwork, scroll on down, and find that powder section. In the powder section, you will see that we now have lesson 3, and for lesson 3, you click the link and it will take you to my website again, and then move down to the lesson 3 part of the website called The Greatest Cookbook on Earth. This video will talk to you about how we've got awesome recipes for you to make all the epic things that other kids have found. This is the link. The video will show you an old bit.ly and another place to find it, but it is right beside you. Make sure as you're working you do at least 3 of these, and please try and make something awesome and add it to the hour that you're in as well. Make sure you note the spreadsheet has a different spot for each hour. Have fun, be epic. Let's see what kind of cool things we can create using the powder toy again. Have a great day, friends.